Hi guys, here's something I haven't done for a little while. Got a cuddly toy to have a look at. It's one of those ones you should press the button and I don't know what it does, whether it makes a noise or whether it moves anything. So I think we're going to have to unpick and have a look. 1.6. So batteries are good, but nothing happens when we press the button. Right, we can see inside and feel the mechanism. Can't actually get to it. We are going to have to open this right up. Right, there's our mechanism. So some of the wires going into it will be battery wires and some of them will be the switch wires. Oh, I think his eyes light up. I can feel LEDs or feel wires going to his eyes. Yeah, I think his eyes should light up. I got a wire on its own. That's probably off one of the eyes, I should think. Yeah, that's off that eye there. That's our odd one. Got a weight on a cam. So as that spins round, that would vibrate. Right, can we find a switch? I could do with smaller hands. There's our switch, and that's only got one wire going to it. I reckon that's an LED wire, because it's yellow. Got a white one going to the LED and a yellow one. And then I reckon that white one is probably the one that goes to the switch, or should go to the switch. Okay, there's our switch. It's a little push button. There we go. So I need to solder that back together. It's vibrating away in there. So solder that together, and that'll be one bit fixed. Right, that's soldered that back on. Power. Okay, now we've got to try and fix the LED. Can we see that? Probably not. I've managed to get a bit of solder on there. So say I'll put a bit of hot glue over there, I think, to protect it. I'll switch that on now and find the on-off switch. There we go. As I say, he is vibrating at the same time. Okay, hot glue gun just to seal that up, then try and get everything back in position, and then sew it up again. Sewed it up with green cotton so we can see what I've done. It's switched on at the moment. So that all goes in there. Done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.